Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can turn off the sound and haptic of your keypad on your iPhone 15. When your phone isn't in the silent mode and you're using your keypad, I'm going to demonstrate that real quick in notes, and you type something, then it makes these sounds and it also vibrates. To turn that off, we want to go to our settings and then go to sounds and haptics, and here you want to go to keyboard feedback, and here you want to turn off the sound and the haptic. When we go back now to our notes, now nothing vibrates and there's no sound. So if you're annoyed by the sound or the haptic feedback, then you can go ahead, turn that off and then enjoy the silence. So that's how you can turn off the sound and haptic of your keypad on your iPhone 15. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.